Hey everyone, want to set up your ClickUp Workspace the right way? In this video, I'll show you how to create and organize a ClickUp Workspace for maximum productivity step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the ClickUp website. Sign in to your account or create a new one if you're just getting started. Next, create a new workspace and give it a clear, descriptive name. Choosing a name that reflects your business, team, or personal projects makes your workspace easier to manage. Now customize your workspace by uploading a logo or profile image and selecting your preferred workspace settings. Next, create spaces asterisk for your major departments, projects, or areas of work, such as marketing, sales, development, or personal tasks. Inside each space, create asterisk asterisk folders asterisk to group related projects and organize your workflow more efficiently. Now add lists asterisk within each folder to separate tasks by project, client, sprint, or workflow stage. Next, create tasks and subtasks, then add due dates, priorities, assignees, descriptions, attachments, and checklists to keep everything organized. Customize task statuses, custom fields, and views such as list, board, calendar, or timeline to match the way your team works. If you're working with others, invite your team members and assign the appropriate permissions so everyone has the right level of access. Finally, review your workspace structure, make any adjustments you need, and start managing your projects with an organized workflow. And that's how to set up a ClickUp workspace. With a well-structured workspace, organized projects, and customized views, you'll be ready to manage tasks more efficiently and keep your team productive. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.